I got my competitor, to help pin in these little space buns. And by the time I got on the stage, the space buns were like slinkies. They had fallen down by the side of my face.
BBC Sounds.
Have you ever had a wig malfunction on Strictly?
I have actually. It is only the good thing was it was during a pro number, which our pro numbers are pre-recorded. So we have the chance to then go back and do it again. The only one I've seen since I've been on the show, because the girls are like, they're petrified. The girls that do my hair, they are so scared it's going to come out. They're like, oh my goodness, if that wig comes out, I'm like never returning again. But so they pin it in. I don't know if you would have seen, you were talking about it, but the Simpsons, that Max and I did. And I had to wear the Marge Simpson wig. And it was like, oh my God, it was tall, it was heavy. It was actually made from like a cage. Like they made a cage first and then they put hair over that and then more hair on top of that to like create the little bobbles.
That sounds horrible.
Oh my God, you know what? It wasn't as bad as I thought, because when they were making it, I was like, how am I going to last all day? Like I say, we start early in the morning and it's on till quite late at night, and they pin it for dear God life. Like that is pinned in. You almost feel like your scalp is bleeding a bit. There are that many pins in my head, and bless them, they're always like, tell me if a pin hurts. But I've always kind of like, I'm not that sensitive with my scalp. It'll hurt initially, and I'm like, no, don't worry, you don't have to take that one out, just keep on pinning. It's not until the end of the night where I'm like, oh my goodness, like, yes, it didn't come out, but my head is pounding from how tight the wig is. I guess for you, you're not really doing crazy stuff in it. So you don't need as many pins, which is kind of more comfortable, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, if I know that I'm going to do like a few hair flips or something, I will give it an extra security. But other than that, I've never had a wig entirely fly off. Maybe whenever I started drag, I've had some wig styles fall out on Drag Race. They make you lip sync for your life at the end of the episode. And the episode that I went home in, I got my competitor, to help pin in these little space buns. And by the time I got on the stage, the space buns were like slinkies. They had fallen down by the side of my face. And they were just bouncing beside my head the whole time. So I knew I was going to go home. That's probably my biggest wig malfunction. It just happened to be on national television.
Shame. And the week you left as well.
BBC Sounds. Music, radio, podcasts.